What's really interesting, for example, in the latest research is we're seeing results from outside homeopathy. For example, there's a result from the field of microfluidics. In microfluidics, they are miniaturizing chemical reaction chambers. So you imagine you have two products you want to mix in a very, very small space, and you want to see whether the reaction kinetics are what you would expect. And lo and behold, what they found is that in those very, very tiny spaces, the reaction doesn't happen the way they thought, because the solutes, the reactants, arrive in kind of packets, in kind of water structures of about 100 nanometers across. So instead of being a fluid, a continuous flow of the reaction product, it comes in lumps, which is something that's very similar to what we're seeing in homeopathy. So that comes from results in microfluidics, which is completely outside of the field of homeopathy. And there's also a very interesting study that came out of Lausanne at the EPFL, where they're looking at the water structuring around ions. And from our conventional theories of water, we expect water to be structured around ions for about 2-3 hydration layers. That is 2-3 layers of water around an ion, kind of shielding the ion. But what they saw is that water molecules were affected up to 20 layers further. So that means that there's a gap there in our understanding. We don't understand how water could be structured around an ion to such a large extent. And these types of scale of phenomena are very similar to what we're seeing in homeopathy. There's something there in terms of basic physics of water that we're not quite grasping yet. And this is the kind of avenues we're going for.